How to fix screen mirroring not working on iPhone. First thing you can do is open up your control center and turn on airplane mode and turn it off again. Once you do that, it's going to reset your network settings, so it should work. If it still doesn't work, check your Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes unstable Wi-Fi also causes the issue, so connect to a stable connection and it should work. And if you're using any VPN, turn it off because VPN also causes issue when you're trying to AirPlay or screen mirror. The next thing you can do is reset your network settings. Open up your setting. Click on General, scroll all the way down and click on Transfer or Reset. Click on Reset at the bottom and choose Reset Network Settings and reset it. Your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, open up your settings General again. This time you want to click in AirPlay and Continuity. And inside here, what you want to do is click on AirPlay Receiver to turn it on. And at the top where it says Automatically AirPlay, click on it. And over here, choose automatic. Once you do that, your problem should be fixed. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.